Hi guys, thought I might as well show you the other one that I'm working on, getting the my Jacquard wax medium on it. And this is one I just recently finished, and this is one that I picked within this frame. Of course, the matting is not showing the right color, so this is closer to the color that it's going to be. It's a lot darker, farther away from the camera. Same thing with my other painting recently. I had a real hard time trying to pick the right matte color. This one, even though it's darker and you're supposed to use it lighter, this one just seemed to really pop with her a lot more. So this painting is also going to be available soon. I'll list it on my Etsy site. But if there's any interest in it, definitely hit me up early so I can get you the link. But I'm going to go ahead and, again, like the last one, I'll go ahead and coat it. This will just protect it. So I'm going to put just a little bit around on different areas on here. But it gives it just that little extra barrier of protection. Not quite like a, you know, a pastel that can smear. I still have to figure that out, how to be able to make. I know people have done it. They've done the pastels and sealed them in a way that you can actually go without a covering. And someday I'll play with that with some test subjects. I'll just paint something that doesn't matter and then test and test and test until I can figure out what actually works. Because I would love to be able to have those without the glass. And then maybe like put them in resin or something. And I did try resin before, but it turned it really a little dark. I didn't want that. So this one I didn't lose too much of the coloring, just a little bit. Probably more on her hair where it came off of. So like the other painting that I just finished with my other lady, we're gonna have to let this one sit for 24 hours, and then we'll buff it. I can buff it probably in the morning, and then I'll be able to put it in the mat. And again, it was the burgundy colored mat. So if anyone is going to be interested in this beautiful lady, then let me know in the comments, or let me know what you think about her, and I can enjoy conversing about it. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much for watching, and happy creating. All right, now we're ready to go ahead and buff this one off. We've had the wax had a chance to settle very well. Just kind of buffing the painting. Really like how her face came out and her expression. Okay, see, really not much came off at all. So I'm going to be putting her in kind of like a burgundy rust colored mount. And I want to make sure that I don't get any of these two lines in there that I did for my pencil. Center that. Over here. Like the other one, I'll sign it after I'm done here. Just putting on with some acid-free tape. This one is from Pro Artist. I like this one. Just going to put a little bit on the bottom and the top. Used to put it all the way around, and then it just kind of showed the natural warping that watercolor does. So I've learned that you just put it just at the top and the bottom, and that's all that's needed. All right. So I think that was a good color for this one. I liked how it just kind of brought out part of the lips and everything. I went back and forth with this painting and then the last one that I showed, that it I must have tried like 5 to 10 different mounting colors that I liked, and even though usually they say do it lighter, I was so back and forth. I couldn't decide. But this is this one. This one is going to be listed for sale, and it'll be at my Etsy shop. I will post the links for you guys. Thank you for joining me. This one again was the Jacquard wax that I put on it. I highly recommend it. Thanks. Bye-bye.